Meaning of doyen.
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 Doyen. Doyen is a noun that refers to a highly respected, experienced or senior member of a particular profession, group or organization. The term is often used to describe someone who has been active in their field for a long time and who is considered to be a leading authority or expert. The word doyen is typically associated with professions such as journalism, law, academia, and the arts. It is often used to convey a sense of honor and respect for someone who has made significant contributions to their field over a prolonged period of time.